Hello everyone and welcome to GoDAM, which is designed to simplify and streamline your digital asset management from organized storage to seamless sharing. Today, we are exploring the GoDAM Chrome extension, which makes it incredibly easy to record your screen and upload screencast directly to your GoDAM Central. We begin by clicking on the GoDAM extension icon, which opens up a simple control panel where we can set up our recording. Here, we can enable or disable our camera. We can also choose what screen area we want to record. And among other options, we can also set a time limit to our recording. Once we are set, we click on Start Recording. Once we begin, we can create a quick screencast and use built-in tools to draw on the screen, highlight any key areas, and even blur any sensitive areas. This makes it perfect for tutorials, walkthroughs, or feedback sessions. When we are done, we simply click Finish Recording. The video is now being automatically uploaded to GoDAM, and after a short wait, we are redirected to the single video page inside the GoDAM Central. Once transcoding is complete, the video is ready to go. Just like any other asset in your GoDAM library, from here, you can preview the video, share or embed it instantly after making the video public, and even leave time-stamped comments and reactions on your video. If your video includes spoken content, GoDam can also generate an AI-powered transcript, making it easier to review, search, and repurpose. Whether you are capturing bugs, creating tutorials, or sharing visual feedback, the GoDam Chrome extension makes it effortless to go from screen to shareable media in seconds. Thank you.